cop is here, I know.
Behind you.
And he says hi. Okay, so we are actually doing my foyer and we just got to Home Goods. So Susie is here. Your favorite person is here today with me. So we're gonna do my foyer and we're gonna come into Home Goods and shop real quick. This is gonna be fast, easy, to the point. We're gonna do this. Susie said come with her. So let's get this, okay? But don't forget to follow me on
Instagram and YouTube.
and I'll put Susie's
My Instagram too.
I'll put her Instagram in the description box so you guys can go follow her, okay? But don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel on YouTube, okay? And right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get shopping. So I stopped by Home Goods. As you guys can see, I went to a different Home Goods also because they didn't have everything I needed, and I also stopped by Target and picked up some pieces, but you guys would see that in the rest of the video. So my brother and his friend was helping me hang this up because there is no way I can do this by myself. The mirror was heavy and it's just a lot of work. I'm not a handy person at all, you guys. But I ordered this console table from Wayfair. You guys, this table came so small. I'll insert a picture of what the table should look like. Crazy. Looks nothing like this. I was shook it, okay? I looked at the table, it just didn't make any sense. I was so upset, you guys. But luckily for me, Wayfair actually sent me another table, which they actually just accidentally sent to my house that I charged my card for, which I didn't order. And guess what? God worked in mysterious ways, and that table actually came and worked perfectly in the space. So I'm just gonna have to send this ugly little table back. We're going ahead and opening that table, the accident table that ended up working out. That's what we're opening right now, and just putting it together. They wrapped up this thing so good, you guys. It's crazy because it took us forever just trying to unwrap every single piece of the item. This just shows you that this was a quality item. It was more expensive, but you know what? It's fine. It's worth it. I am very happy with it. And I'm so proud of myself. I was getting very handy. And thank you, Abdul, for helping me. Obviously, you can't see my brother because he's useless and he basically is just looking for something to eat. That's all he was complaining about. I am hungry. So this is Abdul, my brother's friend. So if you follow me on Snapchat, you already know who my brother is. There he goes. There he goes.
Let me help out your drips on. I don't want to be the one.
He's so ugly.
Look at his drip. Oh.
Not the drip.
Oh.
What does he show it?
Oh.
Oh, okay. Pay rent.
Wait, what rent?
The ghetto-ness of it all. Look at me using a drill, you guys. I'm so proud of myself. This is my second time using a drill and I nailed it. It's pretty easy, actually. I was always kind of scared to use it, but I'm getting pretty handy. Look how nice this table looks. I was in awe. I absolutely love it. It was perfect for my space. Of course, I do have to do the happy dance. So I bought 2 mirrors and I couldn't decide which one I want. One was bigger and one was smaller, but they are both from Home Goods. I ended up going with the bigger one because it just was perfect for the size of the area. Look at the ghettoness of it all, you guys. We did not have a measuring tape. I do have one, I just couldn't find it. So we took a rope and was measuring the wall. Don't do this at home. I don't advise you to do it. It was crazy. But it worked out. It worked out pretty well. So what can I possibly say? I can't with him, you guys. Somebody take him away. One thing we had was a leveler. We didn't have a stud finder, so we had to actually bang on the wall. Let me tell you something. This was just a ghetto. But hey, it works out. What can I possibly say? So right now we're just drilling the holes on the wall. These actually came with the mirror. So it was in the back of the mirror, so I didn't have to buy any to hang the mirror up on the wall. So that actually this was perfect. I'm eventually going to change that light that you guys are seeing because I don't think it goes with the area. This is just the light that came with the house when I bought it, but eventually I am going to change it to something a little bit fancier. So make sure you follow me on Instagram because I will post a picture of what it will look like when I change the lights. I gave them some smoothies, so they were happy because they were hungry. They kept complaining and said I didn't cook. Boys. So right now I'm just cleaning the mirror. It looks amazing. It is way bigger. The mirror is way bigger in person that you're seeing right now. I will probably post pictures on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me at Ceesay_, just like my YouTube name. I'll leave the link down in the description bar for you guys. Right now I'm just cleaning the floor and just cleaning the table and make sure everything is neat and nice before we get to decorating. My favorite part. I'm excited, you guys. I had to clean the table very well because the plastic glued on it was a little bit harder. And I got this lamp from Home Goods. I just wanted something simple and it actually went very, very well with the table. I got this Vogue book also from Home Goods. And I think originally it was like $80 something, but I got it for $24. And I also had this Hollywood book also from Home Goods. This vase and these flowers I got from IKEA. I would eventually change the flowers also, but this is just what I have. That a little vase, white vase, I also got from Home Goods. That black basket is from Target. The other small round one is from Home Goods. I was trying to look at which one matches better, but obviously I end up with the square one, because the rectangular one, because I think it looks better. That pillow you're seeing right now I also got from Home Goods. Oh no, I got this pillow from Target. Just kidding. I also got this blanket from Target, this throw from Target. It was in the same section and I absolutely love it. It adds a bit of texture to the space and it just makes it look so nice and cozy. I absolutely love it. I still feel like the space needed a little bit something extra, so I went ahead and used this candle that is actually from my friend's line, and I will leave the link of where you can get her candles from. And this one is a really nice centerpiece. I think this one is called Center of Attention, and it's so nice and it went perfectly in that little space and I absolutely love it. This little crystal piece, this is a crystal, I don't know what this is, but I got it from Home Goods and I just added it behind the the candle, so it just looks nice. And yeah, you guys, look at it. It looks coming out pretty well. I'm just now like plugging the lamp in and making sure I cut all the tags on it, because anyone who knows me knows I never cut tags. So I'm cutting the tags, guys. I'm cutting the tags, okay? Voila, this is what everything is. I will link everything that I can find for you in the description bar. I don't think I can find anything from Home Goods to link for you guys, but everything I can find, I would leave a link down in the description bar. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more home videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Amy Ceesay. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. I love you all for watching, and mwah.